Roger Miller, king of the road. We're in Eric, Oklahoma right now. We drove through here on the way to the Grand Canyon. We didn't notice this mural, but this is, I don't know who did this mural, but they did a hell of a job. I see a lot of portraits done in the art world, but this is killer. I don't know who did this. I wish I knew. Maybe looks like there's a signature over here. Can't really make it out though. Mural by, let's see here. Can't really make it out. He needs to come by and redo his signature. Is that an auction going on down there or something? We're on Route 66, folks. By the way, day late, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And it is hot today. Holy crap, wow.